Hello guys, today I'll show you how to change this icon shape. Normally by default it will come like a rectangle, but you can change the shape of these icons. You can see here in the menu icon, this menu icon. Okay, so I have like a round shape, so I will show you how to change it. Go to settings. You have settings here. Go to sorry, you have to go to developer option. Okay, I have separate video how to enable the developer option. I'll put in my video, so you can click it if you don't know how to open it, the developer option. Okay, so open the developer option. Default number is the first 4 digit is 7890. This is valid. This will work for any TS10, TS9, 7, all the model it will work. But if you have other model, try. If this doesn't work, you have to check with your manufacturer or check your manual what is the developer password. But try this method if is it working fine. So you have to enter 7890, and my time is right now 18, it means 6 o'clock. So I have 24 hours. Okay, so I use 24 hours. So if you have 12 hours, you make sure it convert to 24 hours. Okay, right now I'm at 18 time, so I put 18. Okay, if your time is like 14, 2 o'clock 14, you have to put 14. If your time is 17, you have to put 17. If your time is the 20, you have to put 20. So you don't want to use 18. Okay, when you unlock, when you put the password, at the moment whatever your time, the first hour you have to put there. Okay, not the 18 when as per your timing. Okay, so confirm. So once you did confirm, it will open. So you have to go down until the end of this one. You can see here icon shape. Okay, you can see here icon shape. Select the icon shape. You have here you can see here I have select squirrel. Okay, that's why it's like a square shape. So by default it will be rectangle. You have so many shapes here. Teardrop type, if you select the teardrop type, it will show you the teardrop type. You can see here. So I don't like that shape, I like squirrel, so I'll keep it as a squirrel. It's gone guy. Okay, so I'll keep squirrel, so it will be this shape. Okay, by default it was this no, it not come. It was square. Okay, this is the shape it was before when I get this device. Okay, so since I don't like that shape, I'm going to change to squirrel. So that is how guys you change your icon shape in the menu. So try it in your device. If you have any problem, let me know in my comment section. I will try to help you. Thank you guys.